Hi, I'm here today to tell you about how to format your paper to turn it in as a rough draft. First of all, you should have your literary essay graphic organizer outline form, like you see on the screen, all filled in. You're going to come to this and copy each paragraph, so I'm highlighting and copying. And then you're going to go over to a new Google document. So I'm going to open up a Google document and I'm going to paste it in. Now, the next thing I'm going to have to do is take out all of the helping things that supported the writing and just leave the sentences that you wrote. So I'm going to take all of this out. So now I only have the sentences left. This is all one paragraph, so I'm going to put my cursor in and keep hitting backspace to get everything together into one paragraph. This is also a good time to check that you have periods at the end of every sentence. Yours might come out looking like this, or it may come out looking like that and be single spaced. So from there, you're going to fix it. You want it to look like this. So you want it to be double spaced. So the way you change the spacing is that you highlight the whole document. Remember, an easy way to highlight an entire document is to just put your cursor somewhere in the document and then hit the Control key and the A key at the same time. It highlights the whole thing. Now you're going to come up to your toolbar to this up and down arrow with lines next to it. And then you're going to click that, and it's in double right now. I can switch it back to single, but remember, essays that you turn in should be double spaced, so it's easier for the teacher to read. So I'm going to do that. Now it's all nicely double spaced. The next thing I'm going to do is give it a title up here that I'll remember. So I've given it a title up here. The next thing I want to do is make sure that all my paragraphs are indented like this, right? So if they're here, I'm going to put my cursor at the beginning of the paragraph, hit the tab key, and it will pop it over, and then you'll see they're all nicely indented. So that's how your paper should look. But first we need to do the heading. So we want to bring our cursor all the way up to the top. And in the top corner, we're going to start with our name. Then you're going to type the name of the class. Then you are going to type the teacher's name. Then you're going to type the date. And the MLA format for date is day, then month written out, then year. So it should look like that. Now, if you want to add a title to your paper, you're going to call it something to do with your paper. So I might call it something like okay, so once I have my title, I'm going to highlight just the title, and I want to center it. So I'm going to come up to my alignment tool and click centering. All right, so I just have that centered. Now I've got to come back and tab over that first paragraph, and it should look like this. So once you've got your paper looking like this with all 4 paragraphs, it's ready to turn in. So now you are going to go over to Schoology and turn it in.